After opening new Canva project, click on the background, go to color, scroll down to gradients. Let's choose this one. Let's adjust the colors. Let's make yellow. Choose the second style and go to elements, shapes. Choose the circle from basic shapes. Let's place it in the middle and go to color and choose the same gradient style. Just switch the colors. Go to elements and type clouds. Graphics. Let's use this one. Let's place them like this. And go to elements again. Go to frames. Basic shapes. Choose the circle. Make a bigger circle. Place it in the middle and drop your image. Let's use this one. Double click and adjust the position and the size. Remove the background and go to text. Type your text. Go to font and choose Fatimi font. Increase the size. Place it like this. Let's change the color to white color. Duplicate, align it, go to effects and choose hollow effect. Decrease the thickness to, let's make 9. Go to layer, show layers, and let's drag this text to the bottom. And place this one behind this image. So we have the order like this. And here's the final results.